Is Inspira Financial the trustworthy platform it claims to be, or could it be just another overhyped name in the financial world that doesn't live up to expectations? In this video, we take a deep and balanced look into Inspira Financial, a US-based financial service provider formed by the merger of Millennium Trust Company and Payflex. On the surface, the company promises comprehensive services across key areas like health savings, retirement accounts, wealth management, and employee benefits. They market themselves as a streamlined, tech-forward solution for managing your financial future. With an active social media presence and branding that suggests trust and professionalism, many people initially feel confident signing up. However, once you dig into actual user feedback and reviews, a different picture begins to emerge. Several users have praised their range of services and the convenience of having multiple financial tools under one platform, along with responsive customer support when it works. But on the flip side, there's a growing number of complaints that can't be ignored. Common issues include account access problems that take weeks to resolve, unexplained delays in fund transfers or rollovers, and frustrating interactions with customer service where users feel ignored or misled. Some even mention difficulty closing accounts or getting timely answers about their own money, which raises major concerns for a company handling sensitive financial data. While there's no clear evidence of outright fraud or scam activity, these red flags create doubts about the platform's reliability and consistency. Inspira Financial seems to sit in a gray area legit in terms of registration and services offered, but possibly underperforming when it comes to user satisfaction and real-world experience. Whether it's worth your trust may ultimately depend on how much risk you're willing to tolerate.